Hey guys, it's Miss Rast here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Padlet so when you get done with your notes over the Sahara, you can get started. The first thing you're going to do is find that site, so Padlet, and you can click on Sign Up. I would sign up with your Google School account. That's the easiest way to go about it. And I'm just going to use an example here. Okay, so that was easy. And then what you're going to do is click on Make a Padlet. And there's different ways you can set it up, so check your directions. I like to use the wall or the grid, so whichever one that you want to do is fine, but you can scroll down and play around with it. You hit Select. And this will come up, and this is kind of your checkoff sheet. So you can make a title. So for yours, it would probably be like Sahara Desert. Maybe your name, made by Sarah. An icon you don't really need. As you scroll further down, you can change your background, the wallpaper. Lots of different choices here. So find something that would be appropriate to what we're doing, like the corkboard. When you close that out, you can change your font. If we were having people post on your Padlet, then you could allow people to comment on it or allow them to grade it or star it, but you're probably not really going to be doing that. So then you'll click Next. Excuse me. And you can start posting. How you post is there is a little pink plus sign in the corner. When you click on that, it's going to allow you to post. You can say the Sahara Desert is, and then you would continue to write stuff. You can add a link. You could add a picture, which is something that you'll have to do. So you could take a picture of yourself doing this. Boom, boom. Okay, that's fun. Or you could add the picture of the desert or whatever the directions are requiring. If you don't like that, you can simply throw it away. That's really easy to do. When you click on another plus, you get another one. Just by typing on here, you can then get off and then continue to add. You can also change the colors of this if you'd like by clicking up at the top. Maybe I want to yellow post it. Maybe I want to expand the post. Or maybe I want to delete it. Okay, when you get done, you have everything that's required. You can click on Share. And you can copy the link to a clipboard and then share it on Google Classroom. It also even, this is new to me, allows you to share on Google Classroom right there. So just make sure it goes into the right post, that it doesn't just get lost on the stream. So I think it might be a little bit easier to copy the link to the clipboard and then just paste it. But play around with it, see what you think. Okay, hopefully that helps you get started, and talk to me if you have any other questions. Bye.